It's been more than 3 years since Sony released the much-acclaimed Sony A7V, a camera that made an immediate splash among hybrid creators. Since then, the camera industry has rapidly evolved, with competitors like Canon, Nikon, and Panasonic aggressively pushing out cutting-edge mirrorless models. Yet, Sony's silence regarding its highly anticipated successor, the Sony A7V, has left the photography and videography community both curious and perplexed. What's really going on behind Sony's closed doors? Why has the A7V been delayed for so long? And could this delay actually be a strategic advantage for Sony? Today, here on Techno Trend Zone, we are diving deep into all the Sony A7V leaks, updates, release window speculations, and hidden strategies to understand why the wait might just be worth it. When the Sony A7IV was launched in October 2021, it quickly gained massive popularity for its well-rounded specs and seamless balance between photography and videography. It became a go-to camera for professionals and enthusiasts needing a reliable hybrid solution. Fast forward to now, over 3.5 years later, and there's still no official word from Sony about its successor. This gap is unusually long in the fast-paced world of mirrorless camera technology. Sony usually follows a 2 to 3 year product refresh cycle, especially for its Alpha series. The A7 III to A7 IV transition was about 3 years, and earlier cycles were even tighter. So, why is the A7V taking so long? Is Sony facing production issues? Are they struggling to keep up with technological demands, according to industry insiders and various leaks? This might not be a case of delay due to technical hurdles. Instead, it seems Sony is taking a new, deliberate approach, choosing precision and innovation over speed. The question, where is the Sony A7V, has been echoing across photography forums, YouTube comments, and social media groups. Many loyal Sony users are eager for a new hybrid camera that builds upon the A7IV's success while solving its most talked about problems. Point 1 of the A7V's significant drawbacks was its thermal management. Many users reported overheating during extended 4K recording sessions, particularly in warm environments. This became a major concern for content creators, vloggers, event videographers, and documentary filmmakers who often rely on long, uninterrupted shoots. Sony seems determined not to repeat this misstep. Recent patent filings indicate Sony has been working on next-generation heat dissipation systems specifically designed for compact mirrorless bodies. These new thermal designs suggest that Sony's engineers are focusing heavily on long-form video creators this time. Since around 2022, Sony's product strategy has subtly but noticeably shifted. Unlike the past, where Sony aggressively released Alpha series updates every couple of years, the company has recently been prioritizing quality over rapid product cycles. Sony's focus has partially shifted toward two booming market segments: professional cinema cameras, creator-focused vlogging cameras. Sony A7V, potential release timeline based on current leaks, regulatory product registrations, and trusted insider sources. The Sony A7V is expected to launch around June or July 2025. This timing strategically aligns with the summer product announcement window, allowing Sony to dominate the headlines. Interestingly, recent product codes registered in regulatory databases, like the model WW270055, are widely believed to be tied to the A7V. This code, along with accompanying patents focused on advanced cooling systems and sensor innovations, indicates that development is well underway. Sony seems to be methodically building a camera that will reshape the hybrid mirrorless category by fixing past issues and bringing substantial new features. New full-frame sensor. The A7V will reportedly feature a 33-megapixel full-frame backside illuminated CMOS sensor. While the resolution matches the A7 IV, this is an entirely new sensor architecture with significantly faster readout speeds. According to insiders, this could reduce the dreaded rolling shutter effect by up to 60%, making it an ideal choice for action photographers and fast-moving video scenes. AI-powered image processor. The camera is rumored to include Sony's next-generation processor, which may either be an advanced version of the Bion's XR chip or Sony's first AI-powered imaging processor. This upgrade will likely bring improved autofocus accuracy and subject tracking, capable of recognizing not just faces and eyes but animals, vehicles, and specific objects, enhanced computational photography for better in-camera HDR, low-light performance, and faster image processing, boosted low-light performance. The A7V is expected to have a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable up to an incredible 204,800 ISO. Reports suggest that the camera will offer approximately one-stop better low-light performance compared to the A7 IV. Producing cleaner images with less noise in dimly lit environments, upgraded video capabilities. The A7V's rumored video specs are jaw-dropping: 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with full 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, 0.6K oversampling for crisper 4K footage, giving videographers an edge in sharpness and detail. Advanced image stabilization offering up to 8 stops of shake reduction, a significant leap from the A7 IV's 5.5 stops. Enhanced thermal management allowing virtually unlimited 4K recording without overheating. These features make the A7 V incredibly attractive to vloggers, YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and on-the-go videographers looking for a reliable handheld solution. Improved viewfinder and display. A $3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder for sharper, more accurate previews. A fully articulating LCD touchscreen with better brightness, color accuracy, and faster touch response for outdoor shooting and self-recording. Next-level connectivity. Dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD cards. USB-C 10 Gbps support for rapid data transfer and tethering. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast, reliable wireless connections and remote control. These upgrades will make workflows much smoother, especially for professional creators working with large video files or doing remote shooting setups. Revolutionary thermal management. Sony appears to have completely overhauled its internal cooling system. The A7 V is expected to include a new passive cooling architecture with heat dissipation channels, likely eliminating the overheating issues that plagued the A7 IV. But if Sony delivers everything the leaks suggest, next-gen cooling, fast sensor readouts, powerful AI-driven autofocus, and serious low-light chops, the A7 V won't just be a minor step forward. It will likely set a new standard for hybrid mirrorless cameras. Final thoughts. While waiting for the Sony A7 V has been undeniably frustrating for many fans, this longer development cycle might actually allow Sony to release a game-changing camera rather than just another update. Instead of reacting to competitors, Sony seems to be preparing to redefine the category entirely. If the A7 V launches with all the rumored features, improved thermal control, enhanced video specs, AI-powered autofocus, and better low-light capabilities, it won't just compete, it will dominate.